just to apprise the world. Today it's India, tomorrow it could be you also. This Pahalgaon attack, you segregate people on religious line, asking them about religion, what religion they are from, and then shot them from in front of their wife, in front of their kids, from close range. 26 people. How India and Pakistan are different. In thoughts, in every aspect, we are different. And just after 1 week, there is an attack in Pahalgaon. Now, as he said, our Prime Minister said, terror and talk cannot go together. Trade and talk cannot go together. And water and blood cannot flow together. So that is the man. Entire 140 billion people are against terrorism. Or you can't be neutral on this. If any country is promoting, financing, training them, how come Osama bin Laden has not found anywhere in the world? He found in Pakistan, just next to their air base. Every terrorist activity in the world has some or other link in Pakistan. So this time, our Prime Minister has also said, it's a new normal. It's enough is enough. You cannot take any more now. If anything happens to our citizens, we will hit back. We will retaliate. And we came here, as he explained, I come from the state Bihar, where Buddhism born. So Buddhism is for ahimsa, for peace. Just to apprise the world. Today it's India, tomorrow it could be you also. So don't be a fence-sitter. Fight against terrorism for everyone. We are facing it in the country. But it is for every country. As he showed you the photograph, the horrific attack in Mumbai in 2008, where 2 Japanese nationals also killed. We have live catch Kasab, the Pakistani national. He admitted his crime. So my ambassador has explained in detail. Our government, we are representing 140 billion people. 140 billion people. And going all over the world to apprise the cross-border terrorism of Pakistan. It is a state-sponsored terrorism. They finance it. They fund it. They train them. And then they send in India, maybe in other part of the world also.